Hey everyone, I made it into Ross. So up here we have Adidas. They're gonna be like the all white. Let me find out on that price. Oh, there's no price on them, but we found Adidas. Here's this Aldo one, which I'm pretty sure we've seen, or maybe a different version, because there's several that look the same. So 23. Welcome. You can find these in Chili's, PacSun, 14 here, much cheaper. The Steve Madden is still here for 23. You have a little bit of studding and bling and like a pearl, a little mixture. Let me pull these on top. They're kind of like braided up front. Oh, okay. They're by Cliff and they're $15.99. And here's one more guess for 20. Let me put it over here quick. $20. They are flat-footed, so if you don't mind, that would work for you. Tommy in white, these are 25. In the back it says Hill figure on it. Now these are by the brand Andiamo and they're 15. A little bit of cushion, so a little different. Here's another Andiamo. That one's 15 as well. And Andiamo seems to be the brand for Ross. Here's a Sarto one. They're kind of almost like jellies, but they're not. Calvin Klein are 33 and 25 for Tommy. Rock and Candy 14. And it looks like more White Mountain for 15. So I found the gray Skechers and they're 35. They do have memory foam. Calvin Klein heel or like a wedge, and they're gonna be $33 CK right up front, and this brand is like IMPO for 22. And more dupes by Rock and Candy. These are 15. Pretty blingy, and let's see, just a lot of different styles today. Madden Girl in the brown for 15. That has some studding on it. I think this one is by Cliffs too. There's a lot of Cliffs. More White Mountain. I don't think I ever seen a White Mountain like pink heel. That's kind of different, and that is 19. What is this one way over here? Billabong. Oh gosh, look at that heel. Looks like a lot of cushion for 17. That looks like really comfy, like right on your heel. Check out this hot pink one, and that is 20. That will be a heel version. It's a bright pink. Jessica, maybe if you're going to a wedding, a prom, a dance, $27. This one is a 21. It's like a little slide-on sandal heel. There is some flats in here for 14. And what is this one? 15. This one 15. They're a little different. Here's like a denim one. It's kind of cute actually. CL by Laundry. These are kind of cute. These are 15, and what I like about them, they do have like a little arch, like for your heel. You have a little arch. It looks like it's like in there, like kind of like Blowfish. Blowfish doesn't look comfy like on their wedges, but once you put them on, there's a good arch in there. And by Black Rivet, this one is 15. Okay. Pull this green one out. $13. I know spring break, a lot of people are going to wear sandals. They're going to the beach if you're going anywhere. Here's RBX. Kind of looks like that Sketcher one. And I remember RBX was getting sued like a while ago because of the logo. And let's see, Skechers right here. More memory foam, but these look really comfy, and I'm loving the color scheme. And they're really soft on the inside. It kind of feels like a velvet. These look really comfy. They look like they would go with everything too. These are more heels. That is by Guess for 20. Okay, yellow little wristlet, one for your phone. It's only $10. Hey, not bad. Put your phone, a little money in. There's not as much today. They do have a floral print. I want to say maybe Steve Madden, and plenty of umbrellas And I never really see umbrellas in Ross, but you know what? I live here and I don't have an umbrella. They're pretty much $8. Okay, check out this Aldo one for $29.99. It's kind of cute. It's like a large. You do not get a satin scarf in this one though. Normally you get them. There's another one. That's really different. Let's see, for $29.99. A little mini BB one. I know we've seen this netted pink one. $29.99. You have that chain, a double chain, a strap. More BB. Look at this one with studding all around it for $10.99. Here's a large blue tote. I've been seeing this one around here. It looks like more BB. I see Bagolini in the back. Maybe the only new thing is maybe that Aldo one, you guys. Here's another BB one. Let me pull this one out for $35. Another Aldo. A little card holder, coin pouch. And this one might be Guess down here, way at the bottom. It is, and it's only $45. And you get a long crossbody strap. We have Monday in here. And I think this is everything. These are like little shoulder bags. It looks like they came from Forever 21, and they're $9. So you have this pink one and the black one. Nautica, and look at this colorful one. Okay, look how stinking cute. $9. Okay, again for Easter, if you're not gonna do a basket, because you know kids, they just toss them in the corner. I always say get a little mini backpack. That's adorable. And even if you have like a 10-year-old, I kind of feel like these little mini backpacks would work. And they always have cute ones in Ross. You could throw nail polish in there. These are only $4. They have mini, $4. Look at this one. I think it might be $4. That price is ripped off. Hair ties for them. This one has like little bunny ears. Throw some socks. Look, here's a child one. It's kind of cute. Cute bows for little girls. Look at this one with like strawberry, grape, banana. And look, more nail polish. Like kid playwear, lip gloss. They had the Disney princess in there too as well. And are these for your Crocs? Okay. Really cute beach towels. Look at the mermaids. I like the shark one. It's like a pirate shark. He's $8. And we have your stripes, a dinos. Some are going to be $12. Look at that blue flamingo. Normally I'm used to finding the pink one here. We have the shell for $11.99. And the turtles. I like the turtles and dinos and the pirate shark. He's cute. Okay, these are going to be like garden and decor over here. Pillows for your butt. Look, I found NASA at the bottom. We're in Ross. Oh, look, the Mario cup made its way over here. This one's a little different though. What doesn't kill you makes you smaller. And some pottery. Oh, the frog. I keep constantly looking in the Easter. And one of you said in the comment section that it's been really hard for Easter. Same here. They used to be really good, Ross. Really, really good. 7 for that one. Look at the hummingbird glassware. It's gonna be 5. You can find this in Marshalls and TJ Maxx as well. The little bunny, a cookie jar. That one looks new to me. And maybe this fat guy over here. He has no eyes, but you know, kind of looks like a polka dot egg with ears. It's kind of cute, I think. He's $8. And check this one out with daisies on it or flowers. They only have one for $3.50. More bunnies. Random shoes. These are actually kind of cute for little girls. Oh my gosh. Why are little kids' shoes so simple and they're cheap? Once they hit teens, we're talking $75. Oh my gosh, right? And then they grow out of it like in a year or two. Hey, only $5.99. The Veggetti. Okay, that's a good, maybe like client, you know, they just moved. That's a good one. It's only $5.99. We have a food saver here. Marinates better in 12 minutes. Let me see if I can flip this one over. It's a vacuum sealer, 10-cup vacuum container. This one's going to be $45. So you can put your food in the Tupperware it comes with. I'm not too sure if we're going to get the plastic ones. There's a glass cake dome stand, like a round cake one. You know, Ross's kitchen department is pretty cheap. $7 for that. They have chips and dip, $11.99. Trash cans at the bottom. And here's one more. This one's going to be a 2-tier though. Okay, what is this? $2.99. Oh, it's glass. Gotta be careful. Slappies. Hazelnut spread with banana cocoa. Okay. They have garlic Alfredo. And if you're looking for like the Hello Kitty noodles, you guys, normally you find that in here. Look at, they have curry. Look at the ramen. This is spicy for $5.99. Rock candy. It looks like unicorn. A rock candy. Olive oil. Okay, a few new mugs. It's dangerous to go alone and drink this. Oh, here's a Pac-Man one. I love Pac-Man, even though I always would die. But I like it. It's like my favorite. Remember when Pizza Hut had the Pac-Man game? That was like their only big game. Like a Pac-Man, the cherries. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, that's what they do. That's the noise I make. I want to buy one. I want to buy one for the Switch. Do they have that for Switch? Here is Yoshi.
They should. Yeah, because they have like a... I think if you have the membership, you can play old games.
$5.99. Look at, he's in Hawaii. You know, a lot of people have been saying, how do you say Hawaii? Some people say Hawaii, like they say kind of differently. I just say Hawaii. They say like Hawaii. I don't know, not Hawaii. Hawaii. I don't know.
With a V.
I was like, oh, I don't know, because I've been watching a lot of people going to Hawaii and they say it different. Ooh, this one's glass. I was thinking this one would be plastic. It's gonna be $4, but they only have one. And then we have your pink in here. This one's $5 as well. I know we've seen the blue one. Okay, any new mugs? Check these out. Okay, kind of like the hummingbird. They have the bling butterfly. And here is a bee one. That's kind of different. But what do you guys think of the rock one? I feel like that's, I don't know, I feel like that's a little too much on the rock, in my opinion. I kind of feel like this would just pop off. Ooh, look at that. $5.99. That's really different. Some home decor, $35, and this one is $75. It's like a medium, and the large will be $90. They are mirrored on top. Now this one caught my eye. It's only $40, but it's really different. It's like a different stool. I like that. $150 for this yellow chair, and $100. A different take on it, kind of like an arch with a shelf. Next to it will be $45. $40 and a $29.99. These are $13 here. If you love that bling, they're only $17. $9. Not as much bathroom decor in this location. Oh, the towels are folded today. Every time I come here, the towels are just a mess. So on these pillows, you get two. They're 15, sleep smart, waterproof, stain resistant. So I end up buying those like feather pillows from Costco. They're like 2 for 20. And you know what? They're too squishy for me. I know I could fluff them up, but I need like a good firm one. I kind of dig in this print right here. $20. It will be a 6-piece. Ralph Lauren is 10. There's plenty of Ralph Lauren. And they're all 10 on the Sham. There's a satin one for King, only 7. We have your purples by Vince Camuto for 35. And the grays. Let's see, 18 bucks. I know a lot of people hate gray. I have somebody at work who's trying to get rid of like all their gray house decor or, you know, whatever. But I kind of go with neutral. I notice I have gray in my room, but not as much. Okay, I found this hot pink one for 15. A look at that. That is Kate Spade. Here's another one, so a different version. And then some other pillows. I'm kind of getting messy in here. Okay, for children, plenty of cocoa melon. So again, Easter again. Yes, yes, a vegetable basket. It plays a song. Okay, only $22. I have this little guy here. Looks like a soap dispenser, but it's not. Just every time they hit it, it's gonna light up too. More cocoa melon. We have a cat, a turtle, Spider-Man at the bottom. That's kind of cute, right? Little Mario playset, $15.99. Like a bullet bill. More Play-Doh kits. We have Play-Doh Creation. Only 17. It looks like you're gonna make ice cream, soft serve, you know. Oh no, I can't put this one back now. Let me see, I have to fix that. There's a package behind it. What is this one? Oh, X-Shot, the Hulk, Baby Shark. I don't see any Peppa Pig. Somebody was asking me about Peppa Pig. I don't. But Ross has a lot of cocoa melon. Looks like maybe a Minecraft backpack. Okay, and those are like socks, stuff for babies, more baby toys, and children's shoes. Again, not a lot of boy shoes. They have Cocomelon and Mickey. I feel like for boy shoes, they always bring out Mickey, Batman, and Spider-Man. The girls get like, you know, different brands and different types. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Look, Twinkle Toes.